Sveiki, Rasa.
Labą.
Taigi šiandien esu kartu su Rasa, jinai yra viena iš festivalio Galapagai organizatorių. Ir šiandien esam Liverpool bare, kuriame vyksta kažkas labai įdomaus. Taigi gal galėtumėt mums šiek tiek papasakoti, kas čia vyksta?
Tai šiandien mes turim festivalio Galapagai ir Liverpool baro bendrą projektą. Tai antrą dalį to projekto, tai Galapagai Challenge, Music Challenge konkursą, skirtą jauniems ir ne visai jauniems atlikėjams, kurio metu išsiaiškinsim dvi grupės, kurios gros festivalyje didžiojoje scenoje penktadienį ir šeštadienį. Taigi gaus didžiulę galimybę didžiąją mūsų festivalio sceną pasidalinti tiek su Lietuvos žymiausiais atlikėjais, tiek su užsienio mūsų žvaigždėm.
O tai gerai, tarkim tas Galapagai festivalis. Tada, manau, visiems labai įdomu būtų, kas dar nežino apie tai, kas čia per festivalis, kada jisai vyks ir kur vyks, kaip galima įsigyti bilietus ir kokiegi ten atlikėjai atvažiuoja šiais metais.
Tai festivalis Galapagai vyks Liepos paskutinį savaitgalį, Liepos 29-30 dienomis Zaraso saloj, labai gražioj vietoj. Labai visų laukiam ir šiais metais turim tikrai neeilinę, labai fainą programą. Turėsim tokius atlikėjus kaip Milky Chance, Gorgon City Life, taip pat gros Lietuvos vieni žymiausių, geriausių atlikėjų, tai Leon Somover Jazzų, GNG Sindikatas, Lilas ir Nominė, bus Ba, bus Mesijus ir Munpausen ir labai daug vardų, kuriuos pradedam skelbti ir po truputėlį vis anonsuojam, publikuojam ir tikimės labai, kad bus labai faina ir smagu. Tikimės, taip, be abejo, labai daug žmonių ir labai gero tūso.
Oro. Žinoma, taip. Tai iš tikrųjų net jau ir aš susidomėjau, kaip pasakėt, atlikėjus, tai manau, kad labai kviečiame visus čia atvykti, manau, kad bus tikrai neblogas festivalis, nes geriausias, geri atlikėjai, gera muzika, gera aplinka ir aišku, geriausi organizatoriai, taip? Tai ačiū Jums labai ir bandysim atkeliauti ten. Ačiū, sėkmės. Ačiū. Liuks, labai gerai, viskas labai gerai. Tai kaip viskas, jo, ačiū labai.
Okay, all right. Gerai. First question.
Can someone introduce the name of the band and how long have you been together?
Sveiki, mes esam grupė Non-Playable Character, kartu grojame jau 2 metus.
Arčiau, ne?
Nu, gerai. 3, 2. Sveiki, mes esam grupė Non-Playable Character, grojam jau 2 metus, grojame alternatyvų roką. Ką mes galim pasakyti vieni apie kitus?
Jisai nemoka rašyti muzikos, aš rašau žodžius, o jinai dainuoja. Mes dar turim 2 narius, vieną gitaristą ir vieną būgniką, kurie šį kartą nėra su mumis.
Grojam alternatyvų roką, pixelcore. Realiai pas mus pakankamai daug įvairių muzikos žanrų sumišusių ir pakankamai skiriasi kūriniai vienas nuo kito ir tai man be galo patinka.
Tai tiek, ačiū.
Labas, mes grupė No Intro. Grojam 2 metus.
Grojam roką ir ne tik. Perleisim.
Tai va, taip, mes grojam roką ir ne tik, grojam viską aplinkui, sakykim, roką. Esam susikūrę 2 metus, mus galima surasti visose renginiuose, ko gero Lietuvoje ir festivaliuose. Tikime, kad šiais metais šią vasarą aplankysime ir dar daugiau. Tai labai laukiame jūsų, tikime, susimatysime daug kur. Galite ir Facebook'e mūsų rasti per No Intro. Tai va, ačiū labai. Iki.
We will repeat that, but I want to think of your girlfriend. It's more stressing. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Sveiki, mes esam grupė No Intro, aš esu Gabrielius, groju bosu.
Sveiki, esu Darius. Mes grojam roką.
Sveiki, aš Laurinas. Taip pat iš grupės No Intro. Taip, mes grojam roką ir viską, kas aplink roką. mus galite susirasti ir Facebook'e, galite susirasti ir ko gero visose ateinančiose Lietuvos renginiuose, kur tik pavyks patekti. Mes tikrai daug grosim, daug pasiryžę groti šią vasarą ir šį sezoną, tai tikimės susimatysime. Iki.
Sveiki, mes esam grupė Abi. Mes, kaip matot, grupėje esam dviese ir pradėjom groti nuo vasario 5 su šituo projektu. Ir tai yra mūsų 4. koncertas. Labai smagu, labai faina. Tikimės, kad visiems labai patiks vakaras, visi gerai praleis laiką ir bus smagu. Nori ką nors pridurti?
Kad tu visai viską gerai pasakei, žinok.
Gerai, taip. Ačiū, toks trumpas mini interviu.
Ačiū. Just when the music starts. Music China.
Very good, very nice.
Very good, very nice. We carry on, and now it's time to say hello to Laura, because she's joining. Hi, Laura, how are you? Give me a kiss. Give me one. Oh, so nice. Another one. I love it. How are you?
I'm good, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm fine. Welcome. Now you're joining.
Sick, yeah?
Yeah. I licked a lot of. Wait. No, ice cream. So there you go. You have a dirty mind, by the way. You have a dirty mind. Okay. Fucking voice. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Okay, we carry on with the show. Now it's time to say hello to Laura. Hi, how are you?
Hello, I'm good.
Give me a kiss. So nice.
How are you?
I'm good, I'm good. My voice.
What's wrong with your voice?
Well, I think I had a lot of ice cream.
Yeah? I think so, yeah. So you
It's kind of going.
stop it for...
Yes. Stop
So?
it. So, Laura, it's good to see you. We're starting the. We started the party side with Jolanta previously, and now Laura is gonna carry on with me. And she decided to come to this place. This is a place, by the way, I just want to explain. Liverpool Indie Rock Bar. We always come here because in Vilnius there are a few places, a few bars organizing events on a weekly basis. And we, in Naktia Stop, we would like to show you those events happening in Vilnius. Apparently there's something really special and unique happening now, those few weeks. So you have more information. Can you tell me?
A little bit. Iš tikrųjų, šiame bare šiandien, būtent Liverpool bare, vyksta konkursas. Kaip ir galima sakyti, Galapagų konkursas, Galapagų festivalio konkursas. Ir šiandien atrinks grupę, kuri būtent gros tame festivalyje. Ir manau, po kelių minučių galėsiu pakalbėti vieną iš organizatorių, kuri man papasakos daugiau apie patį festivalį. Taigi, manau, bus visai įdomu. Yes?
I understood.
You understood everything, yeah.
The organizer.
Yeah.
I'm getting good.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Lithuanian language, yeah?
Yes, I'm trying my best. It's a
Okay.
hard language, difficult, but I'm doing well so far.
It's amazing.
So let's seek
Let's start.
the organizer.
Okay.
After
let's
you.
go.
We carry on with the party side. Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. I'm very well. How are you?
I'm good. It's good to see you. We started with Yolanta. Yeah, yes?
I have one question. What's wrong with your voice?
With my voice.
Yeah.
A lot of ice cream, I guess. Give me a kiss. I didn't get... I love it. I love it. Like Tia, stop kisses. So, yes, I think it's the spring thing and it's still cold and you go with a t-shirt and then you come with a jacket and...
Of course, yeah.
So now we're starting with Laura and we are here in this place that I just want to explain about it, Liverpool Indie Rock Bar. We come here often because there are a couple of bars in Vilnius that are always doing events. Different bands, different events, and this is why we keep on going around so that you are informed and you check out all the latest bands and all the latest events happening in those bars. And today Laurita invited us here and she will tell us why.
Iš tikrųjų, šiandien esam Liverpoolio bare, kaip jau ir minėjau. Ir čia būtent vyksta šiandien Galapagų festivalio kaip ir konkursas, kuriame atranka bus grupių, kuri būtent viena pateks į šį festivalį ir galės groti 2 dienas. Taigi, iš tikrųjų, labai tikiuosi, kad už kelių minučių teks pakalbinti vieną iš šio renginio ir festivalio organizatorių, sužinoti daugiau detalių apie patį renginį. Taip? Yes.
Gerai.
Gerai? So we can go?
Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
Where?
There.
All right, looks good.
We have to find the...
The organizer.
Yeah.
Good
So
to me.
let's go.
Where? Okay, Laura, thanks for the information. Now the first band is starting. Let's check them out, let them introduce themselves, and see how they're playing, okay?
Let's go.
Do you like them? Do you like any of them?
I don't know. I have to listen to them.
You want to get married to one of them?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, Remis, it's all yours. It's okay. Okay? Okay, Laura, thanks for the information. First band is starting, and we will get to know them now. We'll ask them to introduce themselves, and we'll check them playing. What do you think? Do you like them so far?
I don't know. I have to listen to them.
Okay.
So we can...
Let's wish them good luck. Say good luck in
Good
Lithuanian.
luck. Sėkmės.
Yes. Okay. Remis, all yours.
This one there.
Okay, you will say, let's start with the second one.
You will say that. Oh, no. Okay. Wait.
Yes, and you will invite Remis. We'll go.
Okay. Go? 1, 2, 3. So, Andy, what did you think about this group?
I am happy that we're encouraging young Lithuanian groups and we're filming them. And I thought that the lead singer had a very good voice and the band was in harmony on stage. At least this is how it sounded live. And I wish them good luck.
Okay, I'm wishing them... So, Andy, what did you think about this group?
I like them. I mean, I like the voice of the lead singer. He's really good. He was never out of tune, at least when I heard them live here. The band was in harmony, so they were good. I'm happy we're encouraging new, young Lithuanian bands, and we're filming them, and they have the chance to be on TV, and for the first time in Lithuania on Nakties Stop. So I'm happy.
Taigi linkime jiems sėkmės ir dabar ant scenos jau matome, kad ruošiasi antra grupė. Taigi, manau, eikime pažiūrėti, kaip jie pasirodys. Yes, let's go?
Let's go.
Let's go.
We carry on with Nakties Stop. Now it's time to say hello to the beautiful Laura. Give me a kiss. Another one. 3 of them. I'm so lucky. Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. I'm very well. How are you? What's wrong with your voice?
I have a spring allergy. Not that the spring is here yet.
Yeah.
Actually, it's still cold, but I think it's an allergy.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. Maybe you can help me cure it?
I will try that.
A 4th kiss?
Mwah.
It's all good now. It's all good. Very good, very nice.
Very good, very nice.
As our cameraman Remis says. Okay.
Yeah.
So, Laura, there's a battle of bands going on for a couple of weeks here, I think in Liverpool Indie Rock Bar. I just want to say that we always come to places in Vilnius that are organizing events with different young bands coming and performing. There are a couple of places that they do those events eventually, because there aren't like hundreds of places in Vilnius. So that's why we're always visiting them. Laura, so do you like young bands? Do you like to watch them? Especially that I heard you have young bands, not men.
Band? Oh, okay.
Men. Yeah, especially I heard you have a very nice voice, and I will not say the rest of the news.
Okay, it will be the secret, okay?
Yes.
For us. So yeah, I like bands, and you know, I have
Few friends, bands. Okay, okay. So we will carry on. No, we will put insert.
Always thinking about
So, Laura, it's good to see you, as I said, and I'm gonna give you the microphone.
Okay, thank you. Iš tikrųjų, tai dabar...
No, sorry.
Oh.
We have to interview the... Okay, I will repeat.
So where is the interview?
You say, okay, Andy, I'm gonna go and talk with the event manager now.
Okay.
Okay. So, Laura, that's it. It's good to see you, and it's all yours.
Okay, taigi einame pakalbinti vieną iš renginio organizatorių. Let's go!
Where is she?
Sveiki. Oi, sveiki. Aušra, jūs vardas, ne? Vienas, du, trys. Taigi, šalia savęs turiu Aušrą, vieną iš Liverpoolio baro renginių organizatorių, kuri mums dabar ir papasakos būtent, kas šiandien čia vyksta. Sveiki.
Sveiki. Šiandien mes turime grupių konkursą, kuriame grupės varžosi dėl pagrindinio prizo. O pagrindinis prizas yra patekimas į festivalio pagrindinę sceną. Tai tikiuosi, kad išrinksime teisingai geras grupės ir gerai praleisime šį vakarą.
Ar pirmą kartą čia toks vyksta renginys?
Taip, pirmą kartą darome apskritai konkursą, kurio prizas būtų būtent patekimas į festivalį. Tai šiuo atveju taip.
Kaip pačios grupės, ar labai jaudinasi, ar gauna daug blogų komentarų ir ar gauna gerų patarimų?
Aš manau, kad tikrai ypatingai jaunesniem grupėm yra labai naudinga dalyvauti tokiuose renginiuose, nes tos pačioms grupėms reikia ir patarimų, kaip atlikti kūrinius, kaip patobulinti savo techniką. Tai manau tikrai visiems naudingas dalykas.
Tai ką, linkime visiems sėkmės ir žiūrėsime pasirodymus, taip?
Dėkui, ačiū taip.
Ačiū labai, ačiū Jums. Labai gerai, viskas liks. So we can wait for the music now.
Yeah, we can start.
So, did you like the second group?
So, what the fuck are you talking about? No. So, say, Andy, make it more...
You? So, Andy, did you like the second group?
They're good. They're good. Still, maybe the style of music isn't exactly my favorite with the second group, but they're good. Good luck for them, yeah. Let's see if they will win.
Now we have the last one, yeah?
Okay, last one for tonight.
Yes, so we can check them out, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Yes, they're good. They're good. They're good. Good luck for them. And I like the music style of the first one, so I quite enjoyed the vocals. But the second one is also good.
So now we have the last one, and we can go and check them out. Yeah, let's go.
Those were the three bands. So good luck for the three bands next week. Yes, we'll do it again. So good luck for the three bands next week. Another three, right?
Yes, of course.
Would you like to go clubbing?
I don't know. I have to think about that.
Okay, think about that in the car while we're going clubbing.
Okay. Really?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Good luck for the three bands. And next week, another three.
Yes, of course.
For the coming few weeks, there will be three bands.
Yeah.
So, would you like to go clubbing?
I don't know. I have to think about that.
Okay, you think in the car while I'll drive going clubbing.
Oh, really? Okay, okay, of course. So we can go. Let's go.
Jau pradėt dabar, girdi? Gerai, važiuojam. Tai va. Tai šį vakarą atvykom į Mojo Lounge klubą Vilniui. Wow, kaip super, kaip gerai, kaip fainai čia. Čia šiandien vyksta cirko diena. Taip, taip, švenčiam tarptautinę cirko dieną. Šiandien turim cukraus vatą klube, ko dar niekada nebuvo. Taip, visi klientai gaus cukraus vatos. Žinok, labai skaniai paragavai.
Jo, paragavau. O kas ten mačiau per klaunai visokie? Atvyko iš cirko turbūt, ne?
Atvyko, taip.
Tikrai klaunai.
Taip, Baltijos cirkas, pats geriausias cirkas visoje Europoje.
O kur jūsų kostiumas?
Mano kostiumas yra paslėptas, vėliau aš jį apsirengsiu.
Tai labai gerai tada.
Taip, čia bus special pasirodymas. Taip, special performance.
Taigi visus labai kviečiam čia atvykti.
We are in a nightclub. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Say that. In the Mojo.
I'll give you the
okay?
Okay. We started clubbing and we are in
Mojo.
In Mojo tonight. There is a circus night theme. Yes.
Here is amazing.
Can you smell the cotton candy?
Yes, of course.
What I like about Mojo is every week there's something happening.
Yeah.
Yes, and we in Naktia Stop, we like to film things that are happening differently.
Yeah.
Theme nights, events. So that's why we like to come here. And tonight in particular, I can smell cotton candy. Wait, I'm inviting you to cotton candy.
Really?
You take the mic and follow me.
Let's go. Try this.
Okay, I'm gonna make a cotton candy.
I will show you.
Yes, show me.
What are you doing?
I'm making you one nice big cotton candy so that you eat it. It looks very ugly cotton candy actually, but it's cotton candy.
Nice.
You know what it looks like?
What?
Do you know what it looks like?
What?
Look at it. A hat.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
You have dirty mind. Here you go. I'm gonna give it to you. Skanot.
Ačiū labai.
One for Ramis. And one for me. Cheers. Okay. Thank you.
Sveikas, Pauliau.
Labas.
Gal gali pasakyti trumpai, kas šiandien per naktis?
Circus Night. Tai yra cirko vakaras, kuri publika tikrai turėtų gerai nusiteikti, būti šmaikštus, juokingi ir tiesiog gerai praleisti vakarą.
Tai, žodžiu, šiandien tu, kadangi pas mus esi didžėjus, tai gal gali pasakyti, kokią būtent muziką šiandien mes girdėsime?
Tai tikrai bus linksma muzika, kad publikai patiktų, linksma, su daug vokalo, kad būtų, tai išgirsti tikrai
Iš tikro cirko, ar ne?
Taip, va būti, iš tikro cirko.
Matot, jisai irgi, va, iš cirko ką tik atvykęs, tai didžėjus pusiau klaunas, galima sakyti. Tai ačiū tau labai ir gero darbo.
Dėkui, jums dėkui.
Gerai. Labai gerai, labai gerai.
Circus Night. I'm behind the bar now. I'm gonna help the crew. Hi. No, okay. I'll start with you. 1, 2, 3. Circus Night in Mojo. Hi, how are you?
I'm okay.
Nice. I like it.
Yeah, thanks.
So, do people like Circus Night normally when you do it steadily in Mojo? Do they come and they enjoy it?
Yeah, of course. I enjoy too that nightlife.
See you. I'm going behind the bar. Hey, dude. Good. Nice outfit. I like it. Girls. Hi, girls. Hi.
Hi. Great, thank you.
You're always looking so beautiful and gorgeous.
Well, we work in Mojo. What can you expect?
So, tell me, do you plan every week to come with a certain outfit? Because as if you have a big wardrobe. So, do you plan it? Do you have a schedule of events?
When we have a special occasion, we always put our best, so...
But even if there are no occasions, you're always having something really nice on.
We're working in the best club in Vilnius, so we have to look good.
Good luck. I'm gonna help you in the bar now and serve my colleague, okay?
Okay, sure.
Let me see if I'm good. Hello.
Hi.
So I'm gonna serve you now.
I want juice.
Okay, because while working we can only have juice and
Okay.
working and driving. So let me do you a nice juice cocktail. There's a glass here. Okay, I'll put it here. And then I'll bring the juice. I'll check it. I'll put some juice. And after shaking the juice and putting it here, I'll take a few lemons. I'll put them. Another few lemons and put them. And no, this is too big. An orange. I'll put it like this. And some greeneries are always good. And this is good. All right. Cheers. Drink it. Oh my God, you actually drank it. Good juice, eh? Okay. Yesterday we were invited to a crazy party, Solaris birthday party. It was in Kaunas, in Taboo. It was really nice. We filmed there. We're gonna put the footage. You will tell us more about it in Lithuanian, please.
Taigi visų žinomas dainingas, lietuvių dainingas Solaris šventė savo gimtadienį labai linksmai ir mūsų komanda nusprendė pasižiūrėti, kaip linksmai jis atšventė savo gimtadienį Kaune, klube Tabu, kuriame pats ir šventė ir kartu koncertavo. Taigi, manau, bus visai įdomu pasižiūrėti. Yes.
It was a nice party. I'm still tired from now. Because we went a little bit crazy yesterday.
Yes. So it was amazing.
You're a bad girl, by the way, in parties.
Why?
When you are not on camera and when I'm not on camera, you're a bad girl in parties.
No. I'm good girl. I'm angel, you know. So let's do it and just check out the.
Yes, angel. Yes. I'll do it. Yesterday we were really having a wild party. Birthday of Solaris, famous artist in Lithuania. It was a very nice party in Taboo in Kaunas.
Yeah.
We were filming there, but we weren't on cam because we wanted to party. And you're a bad girl when we're not filming, by the way.
No. Why? I'm angel.
Angel?
Yeah, like always.
Okay. Whatever. Right. So, Laura, we had fun. Happy birthday for you and all the best. What would you like to tell us about the event yesterday in Lithuanian?
Iš tikrųjų, tai kaip žinote, Solaris yra vienas iš gana žymių Lietuvos dainininkų ir vakar būtent įšventė savo gimtadienį. Ir mes ten apsilankėme, gimtadienis vyko Kaune, klube... Kokiam klube? Forget the name of the club. We have to do this one more time. Yeah. Bitch!
Get forward, Alois. Yesterday, we had a very wild party, a birthday party. Solaris, famous Lithuanian artist.
Yeah.
It was nice. We were filming, but we didn't go on cam, so we had the chance to go a little bit crazy in the party. You're a bad girl.
No, I'm a good girl. Why you say that?
Yeah, when you are not on camera and when you're not driving, you're a bad girl.
No, I'm angel.
Yes,
I'm always angel.
She is the angel that has fallen.
You're the devil, you know?
Me?
I'm angel, you're devil.
Yeah. Look at us. Look, you judge. Anyway, happy birthday to Solaris. And it was a wild party. And tell us more about it, please.
Okay. Iš tikrųjų, kaip visi žinome, Soleris jau yra gana ilgą laiką įsitvirtinęs Lietuvos auditorijoje ir vakar buvo jo gimtadienis ir mes nuskubėjome pažiūrėti, kas ten vyksta. Taigi, gimtadienis vyko Kaune Tabu klube, kur buvo nuostabu, jis dainavo, buvo jo koncertas ir publika buvo tiesiog fantastiška. Taigi, manau, bus visiems labai labai įdomu pasižiūrėti. Yes?
Labai.
Labai. Patiko? You like that?
Like what?
Birthday.
Yes, of course I like it. There are some things we're not going to put on the camera, on the TV, that I liked a lot, you know, but especially those DJs from, female DJs from Ukraine. But of course, it was a very nice party. Very nice.
Okay. Taigi šiandien tiek, šis vakaras nuostabus po biškių baigėsi ir iš tikrųjų norime priminti, kad nepamirštumėt mūsų žiūrėti kiekvieną penktadienį 22:30 per TV6. So Andy, good night, see you next week. Yes?
Laura, good night. Thank you. Thanks for you and thanks for Jolanta and thanks for everyone watching the show, Lithuanians and non-Lithuanians. And don't forget, every Friday 10:30, as Laura said a minute ago, on TV6 and at any time on TV3 Play. A lot of those foreigners who are coming to Lithuania and we're meeting them in the club. We interview a lot of them, but we can't put them all. Are watching the show on TV3 Play when they travel back to London or Italia or France or whatever. Yes. God bless TV3 Play. Good night.
Taigi šis vakaras po biškutuką jau baigėsi ir visiems norim palinkėti gero vakaro ir nepamirškite mūsų žiūrėti kiekvieną penktadienį 22:30 per TV6. So Andy, good night and see you next week. Yes?
Yes, Laura, thanks for you and thanks for Jolanta. As you just said, in Lithuanian every Friday at 10:30 on TV6 and on TV3 Play at any time. A lot of foreigners are watching us. A lot of them we're meeting in the clubs and interviewing them. Sometimes we can put them on TV, sometimes we don't have time. But when they're going back to Italia, to France, to England, a lot of those places, they are watching us on TV3 Play. God bless TV3 Play. Yes. Give me a kiss. That was nice. I like it.